What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at the CPA marketing network CPAmatica. So it says your affiliate network on their website, which is quite interesting. I just had a look through, quite boring. They don't have that much information on their website itself. So they are partnered with Applexity, CPA Club, Click, Traffic Junkie, Offerfold. Basically anybody you can partner with real quick. It's not special, but let's look at the dashboard because there's a lot of stuff going on. If you're interested in signing up for CPAmatica, there's a link in the description down below. All right, so this caught my attention when I first logged in. A very interesting picture, not that professional, but hey, it's a little different, so it stands out. Then we have points, log out, new payments would come here, notifications would appear here, your balance, what you have earned, and Dabru, everything Dabru. So you have a lot of adult dating, push subscription. So yeah, let's open the FAQ. What to do before starting an offer, read all offer terms, of course, pay attention to the changes. How do you get paid? That's what we want to know. For new webmasters, payment are made net 15, which is quite okay. Minimum payouts are $50 with web money, Payoneer 150, Paxum 150, e-payments 150, and for a wire transfer, it is $1,000 with a transaction fee of $35. What actions are not allowed? Well, usually the fraud, misleading stuff. Do you have, yes, we pay 2% of the affiliate's profit. So join through my link so I get some money. Thanks. I did a test in the system, pay attention to geo-targeting, how to send campaign data correctly, and that's for the tracker. I have subdues, how to park a domain, loyalty program. Are members of CPAMATE CLUB. All right. That's maybe what the points are for, right? CPAMATE CLUB. Sounds a little stupid, but we'll have a look. Do my points expire? Can I change for currency? All right, they have it here. Well, if it's a loyalty program, I'm always interested. Because if I'm making money with them anyway, I want to get the cool stuff. I want to get those free iPhones and shit. Ooh! Harley Davidson. Is it like a real Harley Davidson or is it like a toy? That's pretty sick. So what I didn't even read it, what it said. Because this is cool. Now, work with our offers as usual. Earn $10 earned on the offer, bring you 1 point. Okay. So this would require you to earn like 2.7 million. Yeah. But then you get a Harley Davidson. Ooh. So this would require you to make 15 million with them. And you get a Tesla Model S. Okay. Even Harley Davidson is cool. Sunglasses, if you make 15,000, that's easy. I can do that in a day. Ducati, damn, this is cool though. I like this shit, bro. Rolex, Apple MacBook. I would probably get something stupid like a PlayStation, although I already have one, and just give it to one of my team members. But getting a Tesla, if you make, is it like 1, 2, 3, 4? I fucked up. So it's 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so it's 1.5 M, so you need to make 15 million. Oh well, if you're a super affiliate, might as well grab a new Tesla. Cool. All right, let's have a look at their offers. So I see a lot of dating already. Let's just push this to the maximum 100. Ooh, for club. Meal enhancement, skincare. It's like the cash on delivery stuff. Yeah. I always love seeing these dating stuff. It's so funny. This adult dating stuff. All right. Can we have a look at the categories? All right. So dating mainstream, goods, e-commerce, games, installs, 1-2 clicks, swing, opt-in, sweepstakes, binary, casino, adult, detox, weight loss. Oh, they have a shit ton of stuff. Sweepstakes, credit card submit. And then sweepstakes, single opt-in. That's my thing. I want to see how much they have. I want to see if I can earn myself a Tesla. Oh well. Let me see. Which countries? US 250. Not bad. Not bad at all. They have quite a bit, but not that much. Probably wouldn't pick them. In-house, what do they have as in-house offers? Nothing. Very nice. So let me just uncheck all, have a quick look-see at how many offers they have total. So this is 100 and they have 8 pages, so 800 total offers. Let's just browse through them, have a look. CPAMATICA.com. So again, dating, adult dating. They're heavy on the dating. Well, everybody got to find love, right? One of the main foundations of life. Find a partner. Even if it's through CPA marketing acquisition. All good. Conversions got to happen. If you don't make them, I will make the conversions. Ooh, did I see betting? Binary, Olymp trade. Again, tons of dating. Okay, let's just go through this quick. Here are the sweepstakes, credit card submits, again dating, some binary casino offers, entertainment being verified. Games, what is the games? It's also adult games. I always like these names of these offers, so funny. Adult dating, more games. Same, also adult games. Okay. Yeah, it's all the same. Okay, I think we've seen enough. So if you are into adult traffic or dating, then this is the network for you. CPAmatica. Reports and payments. Oh, show me the money. So you have like a little overview here of what you can do. Then the offers, conversions, payments made to you, and the referrals. So this is all where you guys show up if you sign up with my link. Por favor. That's please in Spanish. Damn, I'm learning all kinds of things. So yeah, basic reports. Get more offers. If you're interested in offers that are not presented in a network list, yeah, okay. So you shoot in the offer and then they get it for you. Pretty cool. Flows? What's in the flows? Oh, nothing. You can just create your own flow. Offer with last offer pages. Okay. I don't really get it, but it must be something with that. So any combination, you of course, adult traffic, maybe push notifications. Yeah, I'm not that big into the dating, so I wouldn't know. But if you are, sign up for CPAmatica.com through the link in the description down below. If you have any questions about CPAMATICA, drop them down in the comments and I'll have a look. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.